how to deposit check into SoFi Money account, or how you can make a mobile check deposit right from your SoFi app. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's video I'll show you how you can go ahead and then deposit check into your SoFi Money account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first, just launch the SoFi Money application and select the deposit icon from the Money homepage. Once you do so, on the deposit your check screen, just enter the dollar amount of the check that you want to deposit, and you must also endorse the check with the full deposit to SoFi Money. Failure to do so will also cause your check to be rejected, so you can just go ahead and select the important button to view some of the best practices. You can also select learn more about deposit limits, and the following disclaimer will populate saying your personal check deposit limits, and you'll be able to see all of these deposit limits options over here. And as soon as you do that, select the option called take photos to take the photos of your check. Now it'll ask you for a camera access, and just select I'll okay and understand using the screen prompt. Capture first of all the front side of the screen, so just select the capture the front side, and also make sure to capture the back side. So you want to make sure that you've actually signed your check. If it's not signed, then it's most likely that your check is also going to be rejected. And after you go ahead and scan the front side and the back side of your check, once submitted, just select the option called review your deposit. This includes an estimated timeline for funds availability along with the option to retake photos. And once you're done so, just select the option called deposit check to submit the deposit, and your check deposit will be successfully submitted. Select done to take the member back to the SoFi Money homepage. That's all it takes to deposit check into SoFi Money account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.